Why should we grow our money?
All of us, if we could help it, we will all want to avoid risk. It's just how we are all wired as human beings to protect ourselves. If only we can have investments with consistently high returns with no risk or very low risk at all, if only. But one of the biggest risks that's actually facing us in the long term that most people are unaware of is actually completely invisible. It's actually called the risk of inflation eating up the value of our money. So inflation only comes in two forms: things becoming more expensive over time, or you realize that your food serving is starting to get a bit smaller every year. So have you noticed your McDonald's burger becoming smaller? Yet every year it's just getting more expensive. Let's use 30 years ago as, for example, in the 1990s, a filet-o-fish value meal used to be about $3 to $4. But today, the same filet-o-fish meal, you have your fries, burger, and Coke still there, it's around $8 to $9. It's still there, it just got more expensive. And that is inflation at work, where things start to become more expensive every year. So 50 years ago, $50,000 can actually buy you a terrace house. Today, that same $50,000 can't even buy you a HDB toilet. So does it make sense that growing our money becomes more important than ever, as things start to become more and more expensive?